I'm gonna chop it. Wow, you smell that, Mike?
Yeah.
It smells really nice. Hi, Ginger, what you doing? Hold on a second, and I'm gonna go through it like this again. See that? Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you real quick. I still have the oven on 400, and I put my little potatoes, okay? I put them in this pot, as you can see, and I already boiled them. I just want to show you so you guys can see. You see the smoke coming out? That means that I already like pre-boiled them. So what I'm gonna do is, guys, I'm gonna cut these in half. Come on, Mike. Oh, they're very, very hot. I should have done this before. But what I'm trying to do here, guys, as you guys can see, I can just go with the knife like that and cut them in the middle. I am gonna take all this garlic that is here, see? And I'm gonna put it around there like that. And I'm gonna finish cutting all these potatoes, these baby potatoes here, just in half like that, all of them, because this is gonna go back in the oven again with a little bit of olive oil, and I'm gonna put it like on 420 because I want the top of all the potatoes to get a little bit roasted, and with that aroma, and I want the garlic that is already roasted to mix in here. So this is like a cast iron pan, but this is a Dominican cast iron pan. As you guys can see, that's funny, right? So we're almost done with this. Here we go. Yep, they're all cut up. As you can see, just one more to go over there. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on that. And it's going back in the oven. And then I'm gonna serve that with some steak on top of it, okay? What is it? Sirloin steak, Michael, that we're making? So here we go. I'm gonna put them back in the oven for like 5 minutes. You see all that garlic? Look how pretty that looks. I mean, if you taste this, and I'm gonna tell you what, people go to the restaurants and they pay a lot of money for this, you know, but it's just totally delicious. So I'm gonna put it in here. Sorry, I'm gonna put 5 minutes, and we'll be back in 5 minutes, and we'll have those roasted potatoes ready to go. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, so we're back here, and I'm gonna pull my potatoes out. And the reason why I put this roasted garlic in there, because I wanted you guys to see one of the things that you can use once you roast your garlic that you can use on. And like I said before, I made this like so we can eat it with some steak that I'm going to be making later on. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to put it in a plate. And I want to add a little bit of salt before I serve it. You know, and you know how I like to put my salt. I like to take like a little bit, put it like in between my fingers, and then sprinkle like that a little bit. Because a lot of people do not like a lot of salt, but this is enough salt like for the whole thing. Right. You know, to season everything. And already has its olive oil. Oh, I'm sorry, Michael. Can you smell that, right? It smells very, very good. Let's come over here.
Oh, yeah.
Just wanted to, I'm sorry, Michael. Did I smack you with this, bud?
No, it's okay.
I'm sorry. Oh my God, this smells so good, and people pay so much money just to go like to a restaurant.
That right there,
and go and eat
$20 plate, guys.
Yeah, and I mean that's nothing. I'm just gonna like sprinkle. Hold on a second.
It's beautiful.
Just a little bit of greens like this. You can put a little parsley or a little like cilantro leaves on it, you know, and all that. And then I'm gonna serve that with some steak later on. You will see a picture on my page with the potatoes and the steak, and I think we're gonna make a video on that steak, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys, so that's all for right now. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy those potatoes with that roasted garlic with olive oil that I put in the oven. Love you guys. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for being there for me. And I hope you enjoyed this one video. You can rewind anytime you want. Go back and watch it again and again and again, and that's what you get. So with that, I'll let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe right here. And if you want us to notify you right away, don't forget to touch that notification button, that little bell, so we can let you guys know every time we get a video like this. Love you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen.